Use the right lane to stay on West Osceola Parkway, then take the exit toward Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Hello from the parking lot of Disney's Hollywood Studios. Today is very exciting. I was able to get a very last minute reservation. It's about 5:30 right now, so I'm just gonna go in and have some fun. Maybe ride some rides, I might get something to eat, I don't know. I do need to pick up a specific mug before the park closes. The world is our oyster. Very excited. It does definitely look like it's going to rain, but I did bring a poncho just in case. But the good thing about Hollywood Studios is most of the rides are indoors. So even if there's lightning, you'll still be able to ride things. Yes, it has started to rain, so tons of people are leaving the park, which means it's good for me. Ah yes, me and all my friends. Ah yes, Tower of Terror. It's always a joy dropping in. I think I'm gonna head over to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway next. The line is 45 minutes, but things have been moving a lot quicker than what they say. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. But yeah, I'm gonna just go from one ride to the next as much as I can. I do think I am going to opt out of Mickey and Minnie's. The line is mostly outdoors and it is starting to rain a little bit harder. So I'm going to pop over to Galaxy's Edge and see if I can get some dinner. Alright, I got the plant-based Felucian kefta, I think I'm saying that right. It's got hummus and vegetables and pita and it looks really delicious. Okay, I have to say, if you eat plant-based, or if you're like me and you tend to eat plant-based, this is delicious. This is very good. It's not just like a plant-based meal that they slapped onto their menu, and I highly recommend getting it, even if you don't eat plant-based, because it's really freaking good. The rain definitely cleared out a lot of people. There is hardly anyone here now. If they're here, they're hiding because all the roads are empty, which is really nice actually. But yeah, definitely if you're an annual pass holder or if you're able to come in the evening, it's definitely a lot nicer, a lot cooler, and a lot less crowded, which is really nice, especially right now. So highly recommend. Alright, I'm headed to Trolley Car Cafe, which is the Starbucks here in Hollywood Studios, because there's a very particular mug that I need to pick up for my father that he did not get when they were on their trip here. So I'm going to go pick that up. Alright, mission accomplished. The mug has been acquired. Father, prepare yourself to receive your missing Hollywood Studios mug. Last ride of the day.
Fly on your little railroad riders, okay?
So this is crazy. Normally these cars can hold up to 8 people, maybe even more if there's small children. But because of physical distancing, I get a car all to myself, which is Kind of weird.
Testing, testing. This thing on. Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. Let's get that runaway train. Hey, step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We have to stop them before they go over.
Attention riders, we have temporarily stopped Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Please remain seated.
Say, announcer, I was wondering, do you have to remain seated too?
No, Mickey, I'm just a voice.
Let's see if we can find any hidden Mickeys. I know that the disco ball has hidden, or it's not even really hidden. Oh wait, I think that might be a hidden Mickey right there. But yeah, the lights from the disco ball are all Mickey shaped.
You have to remain seated too?
No, Mickey, I'm just a voice.
It's been 2 minutes and 20 seconds. That looks pretty
Attention,
ominous.
train passengers, please remain seated. Your Runaway Railway will now resume.
Oh, here we
One,
go.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, now let's count.
There's a switch. Well, that concludes my guided tour.
Alright, so that's going to be it for my day at Hollywood Studios. The park still has an hour until it closes, but it's still pretty rainy, and unfortunately I do still have some work to do today, so I am going to be heading home. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. If you do like Disney content, I will be posting a lot more Disney content coming up in the next few weeks, and probably forevermore. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like Disney content, hit the like button if you like Disney content, and I will